was an Indian summer. The weather was warm. The doc said it's 3 o'clock in the morning. That's my cue. I jumped out my mama's womb and onto the table with my stick of steel and a 20-foot cable plugged it in the amp. Then pumped it up. You should have seen me tear it up. Check it. I was a papoose, born to get loose. Get loose I did. Posters decorated my crib. One of me, the rest were crowd shots. Folks in town thought I was a crack pot. Disappointed they was when they heard that I'm not. The stick is still I got at my disposal. Locked, loaded, cop, aimed as usual. Surprise, run, duck, hide, suffering succotash. She was on the warpath. She was on the warpath. Step up front to get a bird's eye view so you can see the raw side of me. Oh, knock, 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 knock. Who is it? Cheeks paying a visit, speaking exquisitely, sounding off, giving lyrics a send-off. Words squirt from mouth to mic, do work. Spark, the remarks, scars and friction. I'm inflicting deadly doses of diction. The mic is permanent, pressed up, dressed up, souped up. Somebody up, cause I've been cooped up for too long, so long that I got strong. Nothing can go wrong from here on in. All in all, I stand tall when I'm on the warpath. Well, here's the sugar, would you like one lump or two? Yo, Cam, here's your cue, and you know exactly what to do. It's 5 minutes of terror. The horror seems to last until tomorrow. But in all actuality, it happens to be every second of the minute, of the hour, of the day, of the week, of the month, of the year, including leap year. Word after word climbs up my throat, jackknifes off my tongue and lands in your ear. Splash is all you hear. The judges flash a 10, then you cheer, then another 10, then you cheer again, over and over again. Guess what? I win with so much confidence. It's obvious and evident. I'm not as slob as this. Lightning strikes, then here comes me to thunder. A whirlpool of words, will you wonder? You're caught up in a current. Don't be discouraged. I encourage you to beat your porridge like good little boys and girls should. Like only I could. If I wanted to, I would. Cause the effect of being in effect is much effective. To get you all in is the objective. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. If you're willing, I will. And if you want, I will not. Rock the spot on your behalf. Kiss my crusty, dusty, charcoal black. Don't make me go in my stash when I'm on the warpath.